The angels have a crucial message for you. This period of separation between you and that special person in your life is indispensable. Although physically apart, the connection you share transcends spatial barriers. There are essential lessons that both need to learn separately. However, the spiritual connection remains unshakable. He is aware of this, just as you are. Both can feel this truth resonating in their hearts, even in the absence of direct communication. Driven by a deep feeling, you intuitively sense that he thinks of you. In some mysterious and inexplicable way, you continue to be intertwined in thought and spirit. A moment of conclusion has arrived, a chapter has closed, and now you no longer maintain direct communication. However, after releasing the heavy burden of energy that surrounded you, a dense and oppressive energy, both are now facing the possibility of a vibrant and renewing new beginning. At this very moment, this person is keeping you alive in their thoughts. He envisions a future with you and reflects on the conversations you shared, carefully analyzing where exactly things began to veer off course. Within the context of a soulmate relationship, separation is often permeated by a deep sense of injustice and intense frustration, primarily of a sexual nature. There is a palpable desire to be physically together, but for reasons that transcend their will, this is currently proving impossible. There is a strong sense that when closing their eyes in the silence of the night, the image of this person appears in their mind, vivid and persistent. Occasionally, you find yourself speaking aloud, as if he could hear you, sharing thoughts and feelings you would like to express directly to him. There is a latent frustration permeating the air between you, stemming from the inability to share the vicissitudes each faces individually. This frustration is mutual. You deeply feel this limitation, and he shares the same feeling. This reality underscores an ongoing battle for what both truly desire and value in life and love. The persistence of this connection, despite difficulties, is an undeniable testament that he still holds hope and determination. In his mind, the possibility of never speaking to you again is unthinkable. It has been a considerable amount of time since the last moment your voices intertwined through conversation, and this prolonged silence only exacerbates the frustration you both feel. Beyond the disappointment caused by the impossibility of being physically together, there is also an underlying emotional restlessness. You realize that even if you were to try to establish an emotional bond with someone else, it would not bring satisfaction. Your heart is not ready to open up to new love, because it still beats to the rhythm of the connection you share with him. This reluctance is not just a rational choice, but a deep echo within your being that whispers replacing this intimate bond would not feel right, nor would it feel the same. There is always a deeper layer, an essence that may not be marked by overwhelming intensity or overwhelming passion, but is rooted in the recognition of an undeniable desire for a genuine and lasting connection. Even in the face of repeated challenges and seemingly insurmountable obstacles, you discover within yourself the resilience and determination to confront these adversities head-on. You deeply miss this person and often find yourself questioning why you are not together. For him, this separation also seems counterintuitive, as if every moment apart from you is precious time wasted, and you share this feeling that each second apart is a second lost. This sense of urgency and need is even more pronounced in him. He is someone who carries within himself a powerful force, a creative flame that distinguishes him remarkably. Whether in creating music, writing poetry, executing construction projects, or expressing himself through any other form of art, he demonstrates an exceptional ability to channel his creative energy in ways that capture the admiration and respect of everyone around him. The intensity and passion he infuses into his creations are palpable and serve as a mirror of his burning soul. In many cases, this passion extends not only to the personal realm but also to his career, which he treats not merely as a job but as a true art form. Facing the present and accepting that you are not with this person at the moment can be extremely challenging. The physical distance between you, however, does not diminish the deep emotional bond you share. This circumstance, though painful, offers a unique opportunity to practice self-love. This person has played a crucial role in opening your eyes to your own qualities, showing you how extraordinary you are. Without a shadow of a doubt, he believes you are the most incredible and fabulous person in the world. This is a favorable moment to reflect on your self-image and how you communicate with yourself. When things don't go as expected, it's essential to recognize and cherish the special connection you have with him. He's not just someone in your life. He's your person, the one with whom you share not just moments, but also dreams and challenges. The absence of communication isn't emptiness, but a mirror reflecting the need for self-control and personal growth. It's a call for you to focus your energy on developing yourself fully, mind, body, and soul. You may feel on the verge of losing all hope. It's been incredibly challenging not being beside this special person, and even more painful is the lack of communication between you. However, it's crucial to understand that this period of distance is a crucial opportunity to value yourself and combat any tendency towards self-deprecation that may arise due to these particular circumstances. You may have created narratives in your mind, questioning your own appearance or personality, perhaps imagining that this person has left you for someone they find more attractive or lovable. But the reality is quite different. This person actually loves you deeply and thinks of you constantly, without a shadow of a doubt. What does he see in you that you have yet to perceive in yourself? Recognizing your own worth is a fundamental step in this journey. The love he feels for you is genuine and reciprocal, reaffirming that the connection between you goes beyond the spiritual. It is intensely emotional. However, the path to fulfilling your desires and achieving your dreams with him by your side is neither simple nor straightforward. This process of fulfillment doesn't happen instantly. It's common to look at others and feel a twinge of envy, perceiving their seemingly perfect and effortless lives. However, it's vital to understand that everyone's journey is unique. Yours with him, though filled with challenges, is profoundly meaningful and undoubtedly leads to mutual growth that cannot be replicated in any other relationship. Your reunion, despite all obstacles, is inevitable, and this certainty resonates in every fiber of your being. Even if those around you doubt your actions, judging them as irrational, continue to be guided by that internal energy calling for attention. You have shown admirable willingness to confront discomforts and seek a deeper state of balance. Achieving this balance requires a sincere commitment to self-development here and now, accepting that, as much as you desire, it is not possible to be with this special person at this moment. Understand that this journey of self-discovery and personal growth is still ongoing. With perseverance, you will attain the deepest desires of your heart and see your most intimate dreams come true. The road ahead may seem daunting and filled with challenges, but prepare to face it with courage and determination. If you are hearing this message and feel it resonates with your essence, stay alert, as new opportunities are forming on the horizon. Be ready for new communication, a rebirth of possibilities. Soon, something significant will be activated, perhaps a simple message or an unequivocal sign that this special person is thinking of you and is ready to take a step forward in your relationship. You will find yourself comfortable in their presence again, rediscovering each other, although the reunion may be marked by a certain tension, as both of you have changed and evolved since the last time you were together. This change, though challenging, will bring revelations and clarity that will illuminate the darkest corners of this shared journey. Finally, you will receive the answers you have been seeking and the light necessary to dispel the shadows of doubt that may have accumulated during the period of separation. Always trust your intuition and listen carefully to what your heart is trying to tell you. The path ahead may present challenges and may not be easy, but it is crucial to understand that the authentic connection between you is undeniable and deeply real. Believe firmly in the journey you both are sharing, a journey that, though unique and full of its own complexities, is rich in growth and discoveries. Trusting yourself is the first step to navigating this path with confidence and clarity. Know that in the end, the strong bond between soulmates has the ability to overcome all adversities and obstacles that may arise. The love you share is a powerful force, one that not only unites, but also heals and transforms. You both possess everything needed to transcend this phase of separation and reunite in a new chapter of your lives. Love is a powerful energy that, when truly anchored in reciprocity and mutual respect, empowers both to face and overcome challenges, no matter how insurmountable they may seem. So, as you continue on this journey, allow yourself to live each emotion, understand each experience, and grow from them. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit out of control at times, because love has the power to activate all our senses in ways we rarely experience in other aspects of life. However, remember that you are not crazy. You are simply experiencing the depth of true love. Give yourself space to breathe and permission to forgive yourself for any perceived shortcomings or missteps along the way. You have the right to move forward and leave behind any energy that feels toxic or overly painful. Always listen to your intuition and follow what your heart says, for your heart knows the way. Stay firm in your belief that the love and connection you share are stronger than any temporary separation. This isn't just a journey of love, but also a journey of self-discovery and acceptance. Trust that in the end, the connection between you will triumph, allowing both to reunite with a deeper understanding and renewed commitment. This is the true power of love, to transform, heal, and unite souls in an irrevocable way. The journey may not be perfect, but it will be valuable and meaningful for both of you. Believe in this connection and the love you share. And remember, you are worthy of loving and being loved. If you agree, manifest. I accept all the purpose and destiny reserved for me by God and the universe. Share your reflections and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming inspiring messages. We look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will lift our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will envelop the world. Stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.